Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing an AutoPly cargo van installation kit for Ford Transit vans. Let's get into it. Okay, this is a pre-cut installation kit for Ford Transit vans. This kit happens to be for the 148-inch wheelbase with mid-roof height, the van behind me. They offer it in a couple of different configurations depending on your wheelbase length and your roof height and things like that. So the number of pieces that you get, the sizes of the pieces and things like that will all be different depending on the specs of your van, because there's different amounts of the vehicle to cover. So this is how it's going to be shipped to you in a box like this. And right here we can see our pre-cut panels. So there's going to be, I believe, 19 panels in this kit. This happens to be a 1/2 inch kit right here. It's also available in 1 inch. The only difference, other than thickness, is going to be the R value that it provides. The 1 inch provides an R value of 4, and the 1/2 inch is an R value of 2. Of course, you're going to use this in conjunction with some other type of product to cover it. So wall liners, ceiling liners, door liners, things like that. So we're on piece number 3 here. As you can see, precision cut for all the cavities on the Ford Transit. Now the Ford Transit is unique because on kind of the lower sides of the walls, there's little cavities or voids that need to be filled. And so the way that these are cut and designed is to either go over top of those voids, or you can cut it up and stuff it inside of those voids as well. So we can see, precision cut panels right here to fit the van. This looks like it might be going over a wheel well or something like that. Now we have a little divider. It says left side, so I don't know if that means begin the left side or the end of the left side, but it is divided in this box on sides of the van. So you're gonna have one for the left side and the rear doors. You're gonna have one for the right side and side door, and then you're gonna have one section for the ceiling. So bunch of panels here. Now the nice thing about these panels is, as you can see, we got the insulation right here. On the back, there is just peel away backing, and we have adhesive already applied on here. So makes it super simple for affixing it to the vehicle. We have our next section here, roof and rear window. It looks like the ceiling and the rear window are together. Now this is the last panel in this kit for the 148-inch mid-roof Transit. Again, I mentioned this is a 1/2 inch material. You can kind of see the thickness there. I do have a sample here of the 1 inch. And so obviously double the thickness means double the R value. So if you need a little bit more R value out of these insulation panels, you can go with that larger option. Again, you're gonna use this in conjunction. You're gonna cover it with a wall liner or ceiling liner or something like that to cover it up so it's not just fully exposed in the back of the van. Now, some of the great things about this, besides it being precision cut, besides it having the backing already pre-applied, they figured out all of the cutting and all of that for installing it in the van. It also is allergen free, it's fiberglass free, it's mold and mildew resistant. It's actually made in the USA and 100% recyclable, which is pretty cool. It meets some of those Canadian and USA standards, the FMVSS, I believe it's 302 standards for acceptable materials. So just a great product here from AutoPly. Now, if you're looking for this cargo van installation kit or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.